Hello, I'm Arya. Let's start with the recipe for the gold standard of Korean traditional snacks, tteokbokki. First, let's take a look at what we need when you make a tteokbokki. Ta-da! For the main ingredients, we need tteok for sure. Yes, this is the rice cake, and I will use 400 grams of tteok. It's almost two handfuls. And then we need omu. This is a fish cake, and I will use 4 sheets of omu, and 1 green onion, and then we need 500 milliliters of meat stock. See? Yes, you're right. This is the glass for the draft beer. And plus, any kind of stock is okay. Now let's prepare our main ingredients. And if you do want to add fish cakes, then you can just add a bit more rice cakes or sausages. Next, let's talk about the sauce. Here are 2 garlics with meat, chopped garlic. I'm going this. Like that. One more time. That. Yeah, 2 garlics, and then 3 tablespoons of red pepper powder. Big 3 tablespoons. 2, 3. Have more? 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 and 2. And 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of red pepper paste. 1. Oh, sorry, it was 2. 2 tablespoons of red pepper paste, and let's stir this up like this. Now we have our golden sauce. It's almost done. Pour the stock into a pot or a pan and turn on your stove. Bring the stock to a boil, and then add the sauce. This is our golden sauce. Please be nice tteokbokki. And then I'm going to add all the other ingredients. Ooh. Yes, just stir this up few times. In 5 minutes, I'm gonna turn down your stove. Your stove. I'm gonna turn down my stove to a medium to simmer. Yeah. In 10 minutes, I will add some sesame oil and sesame seeds. Blend this up. It's done. Turn off your stove. 짜잔! Hi! Hi! Thank you for watching my first video. Today we tried the Korean representative snack tteokbokki. How was that? Korean people love it because it tastes good, spice and sweet. But there is one more reason we love it. It's because it reminds us of our childhood memories. We still remember the times that we shared it with our childhood friends after school, laughing and chatting. So I hope you also try to make this food and share it with your meaningful people, making your own new memories. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to push subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I will be back with another nice recipe next week. See you! Bye bye!